Ever feel like life isn't going the way you planned? Proverbs 3 verse 5 says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding." So, trusting God means surrendering control. Even when things don't make sense, He's working behind the scenes. Your story isn't over. He's leading you exactly where you need to be. Now, take a deep breath. God's got this. If this encouraged you, pass it on to someone who needs it today. If you're feeling weak today, know that His grace is enough. Share this with someone who needs this reminder. Don't forget about finding more inspiring messages in our playlist. And may God smile upon you, strengthen you, and grant you peace today.